Good day, my name is Johan Pieterse. I'm from the Archive and Heritage Group. We have extended the functionality of Atom, access to memory. We did not change anything about Atom, we just added a layer on top. So you can implement without doing any changes to your system. So today we'll discuss our backup and restore functionality. You click on ASG plugins, you go down to backups, and you can see there's previous backup done. You can either click the quick actions, backup settings, or create a new backup. So let me do the backup settings. You can see what is the server that you're backing up, your database. Test the connection, and you can see it's successful. Then your storage settings, where will the backups be stored on your server, where's the backup logs, the retention periods, how long will it take, and what type of compression is done onto the backups to save space. And then what do you want to back up? I want to back up default, the database, the uploads, the plugins, and the framework. There's all the plugins that you can separately select. Then you can get a notification on failure and success. And then I go back to database only. It will have the option to say just dump the database and do a backup. I want the database and the core files. The core files include the R directory where the images are stored, or your content. This is Atom only, that is the images, and this is including the images, this is including the framework, and that's backing up everything. And then a full backup actually just starts on that point. So what I'll do is I'll do a database only backup to save time, and we'll start the backup. See, while it's backing up, there's the history. We can either download the backups, there it says it's completed, if it's added as completed. You can then download the backup, store it onto your system. You can restore this backup. Obviously you must be careful with restore, because it will override this existing session of Atom, suggesting that you perhaps do a manual restore, and then you can delete a specific restore. You can see the size of the restore, 1.5 gig, which is fairly big, and indicators of what was backed up, in this case the database and the upload file, and you can see there's other backups. This included the framework, so you can see exactly what you were backed up to on any session. So that's backup and restore. We'll talk at the next session.